Easy. 1. In Deuteronomy, who led Israel before Joshua? A. Moses. B. Aaron. C. Caleb. Answer: A. Moses. 2. According to Deuteronomy, where were the Israelites heading? A. Egypt. B. Promised Land. C. Babylon. Answer: B. Promised Land. 3. What does Deuteronomy repeatedly command Israel to love? A. Gold. B. The Lord. C. Foreign kings. Answer: B. The Lord. 4. Deuteronomy says God gave Israel what laws? A. Roman laws. B. Commandments. C. Greek philosophies. Answer: B. Commandments. 5. Who wrote most of Deuteronomy? A. Moses. B. David. C. Solomon. Answer: A. Moses. Medium. 6. Which mountain is mentioned as the place Moses viewed the Promised Land? A. Mount Carmel. B. Mount Nebo. C. Mount Zion. Answer: B. Mount Nebo. 7. What does Deuteronomy say should be written on doorposts? A. Songs. B. Words of the law. C. Genealogies. Answer: B. Words of the law. 8. Which festival is emphasized as a reminder of God's deliverance? A. Passover. B. Purim. C. Hanukkah. Answer: A. Passover. 9. Deuteronomy instructs kings not to multiply what? A. Horses. B. Shields. C. Weapons. Answer: A. Horses. 10. Which river did Israel need to cross to enter the land? A. Nile. B. Jordan. C. Euphrates. Answer: B. Jordan. Hard. 11. Deuteronomy says tithes in the third year should be given to whom? A. Merchants. B. Levites, foreigners, widows, orphans. C. Soldiers. Answer: B. Levites, foreigners, widows, orphans. 12. What specific city is named as a potential place where God will choose to place his name permanently? A. Shiloh. B. Jerusalem. C. Hebron. Answer: B. Jerusalem. 13. Deuteronomy warns Israel not to move what? A. River boundaries. B. Property boundaries. C. Temple stones. Answer: B. Property boundaries. 14. Which tribe received no land inheritance because the Lord was their inheritance? A. Judah. B. Levi. C. Dan. Answer: B. Levi. 15. Deuteronomy 32 contains what major feature? A. The Song of Moses. B. The Scroll of Esther. C. The Genealogy of Kings. Answer: A. The Song of Moses.